So how can we control the position of connectors more effectively while doing sweeps or lofts? Let's explore that in this video. Here we have two profiles, a circle and a square. Let's do a lofted boss base using these two profiles. You can see that Solidworks assumes that I want to do a regular straight loft. However, what if I want to do a loft with a slight twist? I can drag the connectors like so, but I'm not able to do this with any dimensional control. What we need to do here is to create reference points on a circle. In this case, since there are 4 points on a square, we want to create 4 points on a circle as well. So let's open up the circle sketch and start the split entities function. You can search for this function in the command search bar, or you can go to Tools, Sketch Tools, Split Entities. Using the centerlines of the square, click on the appropriate 4 points on the circle. This splits the circle into 4 equal quadrants. Exit out of the sketch and start the loft tool again. This time, pick the corner of the rectangle and the corresponding point on the circle. The rest of the connectors will follow through. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.